Don't rain on my parade. Unpacking the meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind the phrase, rain on your parade. It's a phrase you might hear in conversations, movies, or read in books. And understanding it can add a nice touch to your English comprehension. Let's get started and make sure nobody rains on our learning parade today. The phrase, rain on your parade, is an idiom that paints a vivid picture. Imagine you've planned a wonderful parade, a day of joy and celebration, but then, unexpectedly, it starts to rain, dampening the mood and ruining the event. Metaphorically, when someone rains on your parade, they do something to spoil your plans or dampen your spirits. It's not about actual rain or actual parades, but about spoiling someone's happiness or plans. Understanding where idioms come from can be just as fascinating as their meanings. The phrase, rain on your parade, is believed to have its roots in real events, parades, which are outdoor celebrations that can literally be spoiled by rain. However, the metaphorical use of this phrase to denote spoiling someone's plans or happiness has been popular in English for many decades. It captures the essence of unexpected disappointment. To truly grasp any idiom, seeing it in action is key. Let's look at a few examples. In personal contexts, I hate to rain on your parade, but I don't think going to the beach today is a good idea because it's going to rain. In professional settings, I don't want to rain on your parade, but the boss has not approved our project idea. In literature or movies, characters might use the phrase to warn or bring a reality check to someone overly optimistic or unaware of impending disappointment. While it's a useful phrase, it's important to use it sensitively. Nobody likes their parade rained on, after all. Here are a few tips. Preface it with empathy. Show that you understand and care about the other person's feelings before you deliver the disappointing news. Offer alternatives or solutions. Instead of just spoiling plans, try to suggest other options or ways to mitigate the disappointment. Use it in appropriate contexts. This phrase is best used in informal settings among friends or colleagues. It might be too casual for very formal or sensitive situations. We hope this video has shed light on the idiom, rain on your parade, and that you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Remember, idioms add color and depth to our language, making it richer and more expressive. Don't let anyone rain on your parade as you continue to explore the beautiful landscape of the English language. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.